Commercial properties have multiple cost factors that go into the maintenance. Couple of them are hidden costs you don't think about or anticipate. Now, I've got a large cooling tower behind us that has numerous large motors operating them. Those motors fail. Now, there's a cost to getting those motors up here, 12 stories up to a roof. These motors are 800 pounds or more each. Just because you got it up here, that's a cost. Buying the unit is a cost. There's a third cost to it, and that's taking it off the roof. You can't just throw it over the edge and hope that it hits the car below us and you make sure it's the car you don't like. It is a cost. And so many times these motors are just left up here because it costs thousands of dollars per motor to get it down off of this roof. Look behind me. I've got 5 motors resting in this motor graveyard. There'll probably be, in the course of the life cycle of this building, a dozen or more left up here. So don't just condemn them because they're here. My guess is they're going to be here for multiple owners of this building in the future.